All right, so now we're back in, and here's the piece of code I asked you to type in. And I've changed it up a little bit. Now I want you to know that I've done this video 4 times because it keeps screwing up for me too. So it will screw up for you. What we're doing here is we're putting inside the head the style. The first thing we've done is we've set up a series of, we've put this in, and this is your comment lines telling you what everything's going to be in. Because there are 6 different voices in this one, and we're just playing with the different voices. All right, so what we did, and we're going to be making these in H1 tags. H1 tags are, H tags, they're header tags, and those are used for paragraphs. We'll get into doing more discrete ones like I do in your HTML for this class afterwards. This is what a style looks like. You open with a style, you close with a style. You write H1, curly bracket, what you want it to do, the command, colon, what it does, semicolon, curly bracket, and then you close it with style. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this. Now I hadn't put in the body tags in the first one, so make sure you put your body tags open and shut here. All right, so we're going to go in here. And first of all, how do we find our colors? Now, the colors come in a couple of different ways. We can go in and we can find, this is the old-fashioned way. You can see you can actually pick a color by name. And notice it also gives you a hexadecimal number. Or you can go into hexadecimals and say, I want this to be sort of, I'm going to see James in sort of that green. Let's give him more green, green, green. Kill the red. I might bring him blue, blue, blue. No, green. All right. So you're going to pick a color. I'm going to pick an example. I'm going to go with this green. There's my color. I'm going to grab this color, copy it. I'm going to rock it over here, and I'm going to put it in H1. I'm going to change the color. Okay, if the gods are kind, this should work. Now, here's the situation. You're going to file, save, duplicate. It doesn't seem to like it to save over the top of it. Don't know why. And then file, duplicate, and then save, and it will come up this way. So I'm going to call this is number 2. This is Ruth. Make sure there are no spaces. HTML. Save. Let's see if this is going to work. All right, here we are. Let's put it up here. Okay, and you can see I got my change of color. Now I've done a couple of different colors already in here, but we'll go through that in a moment. So let's go back. All right, and there's H1 through 3. We're going to add an H4. H4, curly bracket, color, colon. Let's find a color. You're going to do a little bit better with these colors. I'm going to go with this color for no apparent reason, but it's right there for the moment. Okay. And semicolon. There's my style. All right. You will have problems. Trust me, we all do. So there's my styles, and this is, what was this? This was H4. I keep capitalizing me. Don't know why. H4, King James. So let's find King James. James. Okay, so there it is. He's H4. And I'm going to take it down to H4. And then I'm opening it up with the mother talking. That's James talking. So I'm going to stylize the whole thing. File, duplicate. I'm going to say this file, save. I'm going to save this as to, let's find it. There it is. Where's my 2? Okay, save, replace. Hopefully this is going to work. I make no promises. Mine has been not working. I should be able to go here and reload. Yep, and there King James. So you're going to do this for every single one of these, changing up the 6 different versions. You will have problems when it doesn't work. Go to Window, Web Developer, Page Source, and look at it. And really look at it closely because, for instance, I was putting semicolons back here. It didn't work well. So you really need to make sure everything's open and closed and working, all right? If after 20 minutes you can't get it, contact me.